Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize PlugShare to save favorite stations and start sessions. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open the PlugShare app on your device. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, search for PlugShare in the App Store or Google Play Store and install it. Launch the app and wait for it to load. You will see the main map interface displaying charging stations. Locate the profile icon, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on the profile icon to access your account settings. If you do not have an account, you can create one by selecting the Sign Up option. Follow the prompts to enter your email, create a password, and set up your profile. Once your account is set up, log in using your credentials. Return to the main map interface after logging in. To save a favorite station, find any charging station by scrolling or using the search bar. Tap on the station's icon to open its details. Look for the option that says Save as Favorite or a star icon. Tap on this option to add the station to your favorites. You can view your favorite stations later by navigating to your profile. To start a charging session, tap on the station you want to use. Ensure the station is available and not currently in use. Select the Start Session option from the station's details. Follow any prompts that appear, which may include confirming payment information. Once you confirm, the charging session will begin. You can monitor the charging status from the app while it's in progress. If you need to stop the session, return to the station details and select the Stop Session option. Your favorite stations and charging sessions will now be saved in your account for future reference. Enjoy using PlugShare to enhance your electric vehicle charging experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.